Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect Facebook Pixel to System.io. This is really useful for tracking website visitors, optimizing ads, and improving your marketing campaigns. So once you've logged into your System.io, you will just have to navigate to your settings, which is under your profile icon. And once you're here, what you will have to do is look for tracking code. So it should be somewhere right here. But if you cannot see it, you could also try clicking integrations. And if you do see your Facebook pixel here, then you could just click that. Or if you do see your tracking code, then you could click that as well and do the same thing. So anyway, what you will do is you get your Facebook pixel ID, and once you get your pixel ID from your Facebook business manager, you will just have to navigate to the events manager and copy your pixel ID. And anyway, what you will do next is add pixel to system.io by pasting your pixel ID in system.io tracking code. So anyway, it should be right here somewhere if you do have that feature, of course. So anyway, once you've pasted your Pixel ID, you will just have to save changes and test Pixel by using Facebook Pixel Helper extension if you do have that on your Chrome or whatever browser that you're using. And then of course you will have to check if Pixel fires on your pages. And then yeah, that's basically just it. And you could also, use this for ads. You can now create your targeted ads, track conversions, optimize campaigns using data collected by your pixel and all that stuffs. And yeah, that's how you can connect your Facebook pixel to system.io. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.